person that has some sort of court date or any issue in court, they should try to delay it until after the days of Tisha Be'Av. It's not really a good time for such a thing. The Rabbi David Cohen in his book Or Halacha brings that also if we have to undergo some sort of procedure, operation, things like that, and we could delay it until after Tisha B'Av. We try to push it until after that, not to get into anything of that nature that may bring a person into a state of concern or worry or danger. Try to stay out of that. What about purchasing items? We said about reciting Shechianu, that reciting Shechianu normally is said on garments of clothing or big items that bring a person happiness. But what about items of necessity? For example, undershirts, socks, things like that. Of course, there's no Shechianu on that, and if a person needs it, they're permitted to buy it. And even things that are essential for the home, let's say you need a new fridge, washing machine, things like that, that is permitted. However, renovating a home, adding a bedroom, building a deck, things like that, that could wait until after Tisha B'Av, we should postpone until after, because it does bring simcha. It feels really nice to have another bedroom, to have a new chandelier, different things going in like that. Then we should delay it. Of course, if it's essential for just your basic living needs and you're not doing it for excessive comfort, then it is allowed. We'll finish off with a purchase of a car that Rabbi David Cohen brings here. That good feeling of a new car, it's simcha. It is simcha. So if it's a new car, it should be postponed until after. Of course, if you need it, you can't get to work, then that we're not talking about that. But if it could be delayed until after Tisha B'Av, you may. However, a used car, as good as it may feel, and as an amazing of an engine as it may have, that you are allowed and permitted to purchase on these days of the 9 days, because you're happy and excited, but it doesn't equate to a brand new car in a new condition. Therefore, that is allowed on these days. All that so that we could get into the mode and understanding of the loss of the Beit HaMikdash.